Yesterday when we did prediction on Bitcoin, we said that Bitcoin will be giving us a bearish move today, right? And this is exactly what market did. Market eventually opened and closed bearish. Basically, it moved according to what we predicted it to, right? Moved, it dropped, right? So we will be expecting a further sell. Now, have this in mind that market has given us a pullback right here, and you can see that this pullback is also tapping our 10 period simple moving average, which can also be used as a confluence, which can also be used as a confluence zone. Now we'll be expecting market to reject and drop. Now take a look at the trend on our Bitcoin. First thing first, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates for you, you will not miss out on those updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, this is our trend on Bitcoin. We are trending to the downside. Market is trending to the downside. So this is our first low that market did give us, and here comes the lower high. Market was now able to drop again to form a new lower low. And here comes the lower high. Then market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and this is our lower high. Market then was able to drop one more time to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Now that we've got to this lower high, you can see that this lower high has actually tagged our 10 period simple moving average, right? Then we should expect market to reject again, drop again. So this is to tell you that we will be expecting market to drop to a level of 65,000. So this is still going to be our target for the week. The level of 65,000 is what we are going to be targeting for the week on our Bitcoin. So currently, Bitcoin is trading at 68,000 plus, right? About 68,000. So let's see it drop to level of 65. Once it drops to level of 65, then I'll give you guys an update on what next will likely happen again on Bitcoin. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on those updates.